Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix. What you need to do is how to fix the iPhone ghost touches or screen glitching issue and how you can fix this. This is happening for many of the users right now. So what is happening is whenever you're trying to touch something, it is not working, or whenever you're trying to touch something else, it is randomly selecting something else and you're having a lot of trouble. So this might be of many reasons. One might be related to the hardware issue, or it might be related to the software issue. It can be both in the cases. So the next question is how you can understand whether you're going through a hardware issue or you're going through a software issue. So if it's a hardware issue, then there is nothing you can do. First thing is you need to cross check whether it's a hardware issue or not. So in order to do this, what you need to do is you just need to turn off your iPhone. So just press and hold like this. Let's just press and hold like this. So what you need to do is just need to completely turn off your iPhone, and once afterwards you have to turn on it back once again. Then once your iPhone is turned on it back once again, still if you're having the trouble, or if the ghost touch is happening, or you're having the screen glitching issue, then what you need to do is you have to confirm yourself that it is a hardware issue. So if that is the case, there is nothing you have to do, and once afterwards what you need to do is we just need to book an appointment with the Apple, and you have to get if you're having the warranty, if you're on the latest version, they're going to definitely help you guys out. They're going to give you a replace for free, or if you're using the older versions like iPhone 6 and 6s, you definitely, I don't know how you're going to fix this up, but if you're on the latest versions or latest models, Apple going to help you guys out how to fix this up if it's a hardware issue. So if it's a software issue, then what you need to do is, even it can happen in between after the phone is booted up. For the first few minutes you're fine with it, then after, if the ghost touch is happening, then it is absolutely a software issue. If that is the case, what we need to do is we just need to update your software or make sure that you're on the latest version. So just go over here in the settings. What you need to do is just go over here. What you need to just follow the instruction. Once afterwards, just tap over here in the settings. Now from here we need to go over here in the general. Now from here go to the software update. So sometimes you might be having any kind of pending updates like iOS 17.5.1 is available actually. So either I have to update to the latest version that's going to fix the issue up. So for some users, when they downgrade it also worked for them as well. So most probably try updating the software, because it might be happening with the software as well. So just update your software, and afterwards you have to check. So even after trying with cross-checking whether if it's a hardware issue, and also you cross-check yourself whether it's a software issue, even if still the issue is there, it might be the reason that only the one reason might be of the screen protectors. So we might be using the screen protectors. As you can see, those screen protectors can even bring up the ghost touch issue. So what you need to do is we just need to remove the ghost. You have to remove the screen protector, and once the screen protector is removed, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Any one of these three possible workarounds will be definitely helping you guys out. In most cases, if it's software issue, you need to update the software, and or sometimes it might be fixing up while you do or remove the screen protector. So this might be helping you guys out, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.